Okay. Okay. All right. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, TD Radeva, back on your screen once again. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about natural hair. Yeah, it's another natural hair content or natural hair video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about, it's actually quite highly requested, I'm not going to lie. But you guys have been asking how I install my twist, how I maintain my twist, and basically how I moisturize my twist. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly that. So the first clip you actually going to see is me showing you guys a side of my piece of my hair where I'm twisting it. It's going to be very detailed, very slow, and I'm just going to fast track and then just show you how I do the rest of my hair. And then the second thing you're going to see is me back here styling my hair. And then the last thing is I'm going to show you guys how I basically moisturize my hair. Disclaimer, today is Tuesday. I installed these twists on Friday, and then my battery kind of died. But besides my battery dying, it was more of my SD card was full, and then it stopped recording, right? So then I was like, I'm so tired, and I got my period, y'all, and I was in pain, and I was not in the right state to come in front of the camera and pretend like I was not okay at that time. My ovaries were having me, you know what I mean? So so today's Tuesday. This video should be up tomorrow, Wednesday. I hope the Wi-Fi will work with me. But this is how my hair looks, all right? This is how my hair looks today. It has not been moisturized in 4 days, so I have to moisturize my hair today. And let's get right into it. All right, I feel like we have discussed, oh, to my new subscribers, welcome guys. I think we are on like 1,900 and something. It would be great if you guys can help me to get to 5,000 subscribers, because I am trying to grow this channel. Specifically, I'm gonna share, I'm gonna do a story, not a story time, a chit chat, specifically thanking you guys for my 1,000 subscribers, because I still haven't done anything for that, because it's been crazy on my side. And then the other thing, basically where I want to take this channel, and what other content I would like to create on this channel. But again, I go with what you guys react most to, and but that's separate video. I'm gonna get to that, I promise. It's just that it's been a hella crazy on my side. But let me get right into today's video. So I am starting off on freshly washed hair, and I've kind of prepped my hair, parted it, and kind of decided on the size of the twist that I want. And I am basically going to show you guys how to twist, right? So make sure that your hair is parted equally, and I didn't part my hair equally, but the most important part is basically ensuring that you take that piece of in front, the one that's in front, and you put it behind or on top of the other one, and then you just kind of twist one on top of the other, and then you can just kind of tug a bit, just pull a bit, just to make it a bit tight. And then you just do the same, just take one piece of hair, right, just twist it. Really, it's that simple. And then I'm just going to, yeah, you will see that the middle part of the twist is quite chunky, and that's why I'm gonna go back. This just basically shows you that I didn't take enough hair, well, equal. I didn't part my hair equally, so the other one is a bit thicker than the other one, but I'm gonna go back and fix it. But I'm just gonna show you guys again, equal parts. This was done correctly, equal parts. Put the other one on top of the other one, and just like that, the one on top of the other, one on top of the other, the one, there we go. It's like, it's that simple. If you guys do not know how to twist, or you still find it hard to twist, I suggest that you kind of just put your hair in a 3-strand braid, and you should be good to go. You know, I find twists much easier to do for me and to undo, right? And I also wanted to inform you guys that I've been natural for 4 years, and this has always been my go-to hairstyle. It's a low manipulation hairstyle, and you can keep it in your hair for a good month if you're not going to be you know, styling it too much, or whatever the case may be. And for me, I absolutely love this. And shortly I'm gonna show you guys how to basically style your hair. And These styles are quite simple. Anyone can do them. And I named all of the hairstyles. I think we have about 8. So the first one, you're only gonna need like a rubber band or like whatever it is that you call it. And the first name is chilling cute. And basically this is how you do it. And if you have short hair, just wrap it around the ribbon and you should be good to go. Then our second hairstyle is jokes aside. Now this is a hairstyle that I like whenever I would go to work. I liked this type of hairstyle. You kind of basically flat twist the twist. If you know how to flat twist, then this should be easy. If you don't know how to flat twist, I'll kind of... There's a clip where it's slowed down and kind of shows you guys how to do it. And then at this point, you can either let your twist loose or you can put them up in it. You can tie them up like so. And this is how the hairstyle looks like. Yeah, I like this hairstyle. And then the third hairstyle is all the way back, and we're just gonna basically flat twist the half of my hair basically to the back. And you can lay your edges if you want. And my little quick anti-frizz solution is this: spritz water, wear your duke, and you should be good to go. And then this is easy, sweetheart. You literally just part your hair to the side and bam, you're done. Literally, that's your next style. My kind of go-to hairstyle. Then you're gonna move on to my favorite hairstyle, which is innocent face. And you basically side part your hair, and then you flat twist that part of your hair. Not all the way to the back, but basically until maybe behind your ear. You put a bobby pin, and then you basically do the same on the large part of the sided part. And you basically just take one twist at a time. You flat twist it at a time. And I absolutely love this hairstyle. If I'm going to be wearing dresses, if I'm going to be like wearing formal wear, I absolutely love this hairstyle. My favorite. You can add accessories, hairbands at this point. And yeah, then we're gonna move to back to school. Basically this is kind of flat twisting your hair while it's in twists. You don't have to flat twist it all the way to the back. You can just do like I showed you my previous hairstyle, and then you can just put a ribbon, hair tie, hairband, fasten your hair up. You can do it like this, where you have 2 like puffs, or I don't know what you guys call this, ponytails, puffs, or you can have one ponytail or a puff, or just yeah. And then we can move to style number 7, which is, it's a classic. This is simple, my also go to. Just put your hair up like that, and if your hair is sticking out, just use one of these elastic small bands, and ta-da! Neat, cute, straight to the point. Then we're gonna move to style number 8, on the go. My favorite, self-explanatory. Look at that, just half your head, wrap it up, and I'm basically gonna show you guys how to moisturize. I hope you guys enjoyed those hairstyles. You guys already know I keep it simple. The most important thing here is to ensure that you monitor your hair, guys. I'm just going to go in with leave-in conditioner, followed up by shea butter, and then some oil. It's very important for you guys to monitor your hair. You can ask as many natural hair gurus, how many times should you moisturize your hair? We are not in the same country. We don't eat the same food. We don't come from the same parents. So you have to monitor your hair. You have to analyze it. You have to check your hair. How is it feeling after 2 days? How is it feeling after 3 days? And then you moisturize accordingly. I'm using the LCO method. It's winter. I prefer this method. And you guys already know what I'm using, y'all. My normal oils. And that is literally it. I'm not going to be doing too much. This is me going to style my hair, and just so I can look decent, But yeah, y'all, this is it. Now, How long do I suggest you keep your twists for? Listen, mate, like if you are gonna be, I don't know what you're doing, right? I don't know your life. But I would say a healthy amount would be a full month. You can actually rock this hair for a full month. And the other trick, you guys saw when you put on your silk scarf, it kind of takes away the frizz. So that's how I basically keep mine fresh. But you guys get the drill of it. You guys get the gist of it. But basically, this is how I would wear my hair. Like, I love my twists, and you guys already get the idea that, okay, Tini, we get it. You love twists, and you think they are professional, and you are comfortable with them. But that's it. You know, I am very insecure about my head. I think I have a small pea head. But I like my twist, and that's how I basically rock it. So guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.